In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files from Adobe Scan. Now, inside Adobe Scan, the app itself, which I'm currently using, as you can see on my screen, you can't actually find the deleted files and you can't recover them. However, you can do that inside your Adobe account. So, to do this, you want to just exit your app and you want to go to Google or whatever browser you're using and you want to type in assets.adobe.com. So whenever you do that, simply tap on the search box and it's going to take you directly to adobe.com and it's going to prompt you to sign into your account. Now make sure you actually sign into the same account you use, of course, for your Adobe Scan, because otherwise that's not going to work. Now in here, notice this is kind of your cloud here, and you can of course see under your files top left, you can find Adobe Scan and all the files over here. And then to actually recover deleted files, what you want to do is you want to go up top and you want to scroll towards the right. And when you do that, you can see when you swipe to the very right, it says deleted, okay? If it's not showing, you can press on the three dots and then click it from there. So tap on deleted up top. And then in here, you'll be able to find all your deleted files if they've been backed up to the Adobe Cloud, okay? So if it hasn't been backed up, then unfortunately, you won't be able to do that if you've deleted them. Or of course, if it's been more than 30 days, you won't be able to recover them either. But if it's inside 30 days, for example, let's say you made a mistake like right now and you want to recover that, you can just come in here and you'll be able to find your file here. You'll be able to tap on it and then recover it from there. So that's how to recover deleted files. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.